My homeland
USSR Consolidates T-20 armored tractor is definitely on my most wanted list. It has apparently special advantages in countryside touring and move house process. It looks so machinery stubborn, naughty, harmless, and family friendly. I won't even be surprised if there was one parking in my backyard. Imagine in the weekend, you tell your son, hey, take your classmates for a sightseeing. Here you are, the key of T-20, which will definitely make your boy the star of the town, with no joking. It's quite an easy and happy kit from Trumpeter. You could easily have done the assembling. Yet it's a pity that most of the observed hatches are fixed, unlike what were drawn on the box. The separated, independent tracks are not difficult to deal with, but time consuming. You could see from the post-assembling results that nothing is complicated. I add this kit from Italy to make sure that the figures could bring enough supplies with them. The story background is like a couple was on T-20, taking themselves away from the combat zone. I'm going to apply a German grey camouflage on it, so black primer will be a good start. Then follows the pre-shading and pre-highlighting. That will lead what comes next. The general idea is to make the vehicle's surface appears with different degrees of grey, so that don't apply too thick for each layer. Otherwise, it will destroy or unify the diversity of grey. Voila, that's it. I'm looking forward to producing a mini movie with it in the next video. It will be a story about a couple running away from the war. Let's see how it works. Hey modelers, let's keep collecting, finding excuses not to build them, challenging your career rather than your hobby, enjoying the company of your girlfriend rather than the plastic kid, but graduate very soon from the model academic. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Take a lot of pain. Love is like a cloud, holds a lot of rain. Love hurts. Love